In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on marketplace notifications on Facebook. To get started, open the Facebook app on your Android phone or iPhone. If you prefer, you can also do this on the Facebook website after signing into your account. Once you're on Facebook, head to the menu area. Depending on your device, this may be your profile picture or the menu icon with 3 lines. From there, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy, then tap on it and choose Settings. This is where Facebook keeps most of your account preferences, including notification controls. Inside Settings, look for the Preferences section and tap Notifications. This will open the full list of notification categories available for your account. Now scroll through the options until you find Marketplace, then tap into it. This is the section where you can control alerts related specifically to buying and selling on Facebook Marketplace. Here, you can turn on the notifications you want to receive, such as new messages from buyers or sellers, updates to your listings, saved search alerts, price drop notifications, and recommendations or activity related to Marketplace. If you use Marketplace often, enabling the right alerts can help you respond faster and avoid missing important activity. Next, choose how you want Facebook to send these notifications. Depending on what's available for your account and region, you may be able to receive push notifications, email notifications, or SMS notifications. Push notifications are usually the quickest option if you want real-time alerts on your phone. If your marketplace alerts still aren't coming through, the next thing to check is your device's notification permissions. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, then Facebook, and make sure notifications are allowed. On iPhone, open Settings, tap Notifications, find Facebook, and make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. This is important because even if Facebook notifications are enabled in the app, your phone can still block them at the device level. After that, take a moment to customize your marketplace alerts. You can switch specific categories on or off based on what matters most to you. This helps reduce unnecessary notifications while still keeping you informed about important updates. Most of your changes will save automatically, so once you're done, you can simply exit the settings menu. To make sure everything is working, test your notifications by having someone send a message about one of your marketplace listings or by watching for activity on a saved search. Finally, keep the Facebook app updated. Regular updates can improve notification reliability and make sure you have the latest marketplace features and fixes, and that's how to turn on marketplace notifications on Facebook.